Here's what you can expect to see in the course and how I'm qualified to teach this class. I'm Jerry Banfield. I'm so excited to be here with you. I have a Facebook page with over 2 million likes on it. I'm grateful my posts reach hundreds of thousands of people for free and with a $20 ad budget every week on Facebook. I have spent over $100,000 on my own Facebook ads. I've gotten 841 million impressions, an average CPC of 0.5 cents per click, 21 million clicks, 105 million people around the world reach with my Facebook ads. I'm going to give you the best of what I know about Facebook marketing and Facebook ads in this course, including some amazing things like how to use Facebook group to get the maximum organic reach. For example, I'll show you some of the very best tricks I know for getting outstanding engagement, organic newsfeed reach, for free with a group. I'll show you some of the things I've learned about how to use Facebook messages to build amazing relationships, to promote things to your friends in a kind, loving, non-spammy way. For example, I show you how I go through and ask my friends on Facebook to listen to my podcast. Would you enroll in this course now if you want a revolution in your experience on Facebook? If you want every minute of the time you spend on Facebook to count, if you want to get the absolute best results on Facebook, if you want to see the inside of how I do my business on Facebook and how my business on Facebook has allowed me to be here with you today. Thank you very much for getting started. Would you join me in the adventure of this class today?